Hello guys, this is a modification to the tool post on the G0768. So I got that tool post from the little machine shop. The problem with that particular post is it comes with this piece here, right? And trying to move this in and out with a screwdriver is a pain. I really didn't have the correct wrench. So instead, I made a little brass collar, I should say bushing. The outside diameter of this is about 660 thousandths, and the ID is a little bit more than 3/8, which goes on here. All right, so then what you do, you put a washer on here, you put the nut back, and once you tighten it down, the lever to move the tool up and down. It's hard to do this with one hand. Let's see. There we go. So that just slides out. Now the trick is keep all the brass or aluminum, any shavings out of here, because that gums up pretty quickly. So this is much easier than messing around with this piece. So just lock that down with a washer, and we'll see how that goes. I might be changing this out with a piece of steel at some point in time if I start mushrooming the piece of brass. But in the meantime, if you don't want to mess with that, put that brass collar in there. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.